While I was making stacks of drawings for this timber frame, timber was being cut by hand. And not to say cutting by hand isn't hard. Making drawings that perfectly communicate how those cuts should be made is difficult. Even with good drawings, honestly, probably the best drawings, you're still going to have a pretty decent chance of making a mistake. Then I thought, what if no one had to interpret the drawings at all? What if the CNC machine could mill the timber directly from a CAD file? So I got to work. After weeks of lost sleep, painful revisions, and more than a few dead ends, I finally landed on a design worthy of the task. It needed to be able to support at least a 6-inch long end mill, capable of boring out the mortises and the timbers. It needed to have at least 12 inches of clearance from the tip of the mill end to the bed. It also had to have a bed that could be extended at least 20 feet. I gave myself nearly 4 feet of x-axis to work with. It needed a cooling system capable of cooling the spindle for continuous use. The computer would need to be mounted to the system to reduce the amount of lengthy wires connected to the machine. I opted for a touchscreen mount to support a Raspberry Pi touchscreen setup for my G-code sender, which would communicate to my Arduino interpreter. Time to build.